Okay, good morning guys, as you can see, this is the Toyota Romion engine, the one that I was stripping earlier. So this is a cylinder head, and then these are the pistons. It's ready now. We're gonna send it to the engineering. What we've discovered here, guys, if you look at this is a bearing, big end bearing. I'll show you. This car here was using a lot of oil. It was smoking badly, and oil consumption was very high. So after we stripped, we've discovered this is number one, big end bearing. See, the bearings are chowed out. Bearings are finished. This car had a slight bearing knock. It had a bearing knock, not too bad, but it had a bearing knock. So because of that, because these bearings are finished up, chopped out. And another thing, as it was using a lot of oil, we've noticed that the oil rings are seized up. As you can see, the compression rings are moving freely, but the oil rings are stuck up on the groove, so it was not closing up or opening up the rings so that it can prevent the oil to go through here. As you can see, these oil rings here, they stuck on the groove. They stuck here on the groove. So what happened now, they allow the oil to seep through here, and then it comes on top of the piston, and then when the spark plug ignites, it ignites on top of this oil here, and then start burning the oil. That's why you see the black smoke or white smoke at the back. That's where you see a blue white smoke at the back, coming out from the back, because of the oil that is on top of the piston crown. Because of these rings here, the oil rings stuck. They're not flexible as the compression rings. So this car was starting and there was power. Compression was good. The only problem was the smoke and the heavy oil consumption. So you can wonder why, if someone is telling you, no, you need to do the engine, but you tell, no, this car, it starts and it's got power. The problem is just the oil. So that is the reason. The oil rings, they stack up on the grooves. So that is what causing that. I just want to show you that, guys. So all these 4 pistons is the same thing. The oil scraper rings, they seized. You see, they seized, they stuck on the groove. They're not moving freely, so they're not flexible, and then they allow the oil to seep through here. So that's how it is, guys. So I'm gonna send this now to the engineering. Obviously the block, they will report the block to oversize, which is 20 thou size. They will report the block. So this is the engine block, these are the pistons, and then this is the crankshaft. So I'll take you through, guys, as I'm going to rebuild this engine here. So this is the engine for this Toyota Romion. For this Toyota here, this is the engine for this car. This is the engine for this car, guys. So we'll rebuild it and make it work perfectly again. Thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to our channel, YouTube channel, Ziggy Auto Services. Thank you.